Hello everyone, my name is Apuv Gupta and I am second year engineering student at JSS Noida. So welcome back to another video. In this video, I will cover what is 30 days of Google Cloud, how you can participate in it, and win exciting Google Cloud goodies or swags. So let's get started. And to know all about this, watch the video till the end. And in the end of the video, we will do unboxing of swags. Before telling you about 30 days of Google Cloud, let's first understand what is cloud. A layman by name of Cloud thought about this. But in programming, cloud or cloud computing refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and databases that run on those servers. Let me explain you about cloud and its benefit in a simple way. The cloud is on everybody's lips these days and it has 5 equally important traits. First, you will get computing resources on demand and self-service. All you have to do is to use simple interface and you get the processing power, storage and network you need with no human intervention. Second, you access these resources over the net from anywhere you want. Third, the provider of the resources have a big pool of them and allocates them to customers or users out of that pool. Customers don't have to know or care about the exact physical location of these resources. Fourth, the resources are elastic. If you need more resources, you can get more rapidly. If you need less, you can scale back. And last, the customers pay only for what they use or reserve as they go. If they stop using resources, they stop paying. Many of you have a question in your mind. How did we get here? And where are we going? To answer these questions, let's look at some history. The first wave of the trend that brought us towards cloud computing was co-location, which IT shops have been doing for decades. But in the first decades of 2000s, IT department for efficiency drove them to use virtualization. Virtualization let us all use resources more efficiently, and just like co-location, it lets us to be more flexible too. But with virtualization, you still buy a house and maintain the infrastructure. So you are still in the business of guessing how much hardware you will need and when setting it up and keep it running. About some years ago, Google realized that its business couldn't move fast enough within the confines of virtualization model. So Google switched to an automated elastic third wave cloud build from an automated service. It is fully automated. So now let's move on towards how you can apply in 30 days of Google Cloud. This program is conducted by Google so that people know more about cloud or they can kickstart their career towards cloud computing and gets hand-on practice on Google Cloud Platform. And the last thing, more people use Google Cloud Platform. So now open the website using the link provided in the description. In this, you will see what is 30 days of Google Cloud. Why should you enroll in the program? Google Cloud badges. How you can win some really cool Google Cloud goodies. Program syllabus. And in program syllabus, there are two tracks. Track 1, Cloud Engineering track, and track 2 is Data Science and Machine Learning track. Registration for 30 days of Google Cloud Platform is closed now. This program started from 26 September to 5th November 2020. Once you are registered for this program, you will receive this email from Google. To take part in the program and to complete labs on Quick Labs, you need credits. Click on this URL. On going in profile section, click on buy credits or subscription tab. By seeing this, you can find the cost of one credit. So one credit equals to $1. So credits are very important to take labs at Quick Labs. But Google is providing you 600 credits once you completed this lab. A tour of Quick Labs and Google Cloud. On clicking on Start Lab button, your lab will start, in which you have to perform certain tasks as given below. To test your understanding, there is a quiz also. You need to complete all the tasks in the lab in given time. After completing this lab, 600 credits will be transferred in your account. Let's go over program syllabus page. There are two tracks in this program. Track 1, Cloud Engineering track. Track 2, Data Science and Machine Learning track. As per your choice and interest, you can complete any track. On completion of each quest, you will get skill badge. If you complete any one track, you will get 6 badges, as there are 6 quests in a track. On completion of both tracks, you will get 11 badges, because first quest is common in both the tracks. Let me show you my skill badges, as I had completed both the tracks, so I got 11 badges. Click on My Learning tab. And go over View Public Profile. To see my public profile and badges, I put a link in the description. To get the goodies, you have to complete all the quests of selected track before the deadline. Now let's talk about the Google Cloud goodies or swags. If you complete Cloud Engineering track, you will get this t-shirt and Google Cloud sticker pack. And on completion of Data Science and Machine Learning track, you will get this t-shirt and this sticker pack. But on completion of both the tracks, you will get both the t-shirts, one laptop bag and one Google Cloud sticker pack. After completion and end of this program, you will receive email to claim your swags. As I had completed both the tracks, so I will get 2 t-shirts, one laptop bag and one sticker. To claim your swags, you have to submit Google form before the deadline. You will get certificate of participation also. My certificate look like this. Let's move on to the most exciting part of the video, the unboxing part. Thank you for watching this video. If you had also participated in this program, write in the comment section and in which track you completed. Plus share your experience of 30 days of Google Cloud. If you have any doubt regarding this video, write in the comment section. You can interact with me through social media accounts like LinkedIn and Instagram. The link is in the description. I had put all the important links of this program and my social media handles in the description. So if you find this video helpful, click like, comment, share this video with a friend, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.